Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the cross domain tracking in the Google Analytics 4. But before we start the video, let me tell you about the problem that we're going to solve with the help of this cross domain tracking. So for the ideal situation, assume you have a website and you have integrated a third party payment gateway. So you would want when a user came across on your website and go through your website to the payment gateway, Google Analytics will track as a same user, a single user as a same user, not a two different type of individuals, one for the website and one for the individual. There's a problem that you might be facing in the Google Analytics currently, and that is exactly what we want to solve with this method. So I have already attached a new website here. So when we're going to click on this button, it will redirect you to this website. So first of all, let's see the URL when we see in the when we click on this website, because it will help us to determine if the tracking is properly set up or not. So just click on this button, and you might be see in that the URL on the bottom of the left side. And when we click, you can see the URL here as well. It is near explain.m. Okay, we can go back to the our normal website, and now let's go to our Google Analytics property. So this is our Google Analytics property for this website near conversion node space, and now we're going to set up the cross domain tracking. So how we're going to do that? So basically, first of all, we have to go to the admin panel from here. Okay, from here we have to find this data stream, and if you don't find the data stream, just go to the data collection and the modification. From here you will find the data stream. Okay, from here you will find this data stream for your website. Just click here on this, scroll down and find this configure tag settings. Okay, it's loading. Just wait for some seconds here. Okay, after that, just click here on the second option, that is configure your domains. Okay, now it is already giving you suggestions. You can accept it, and you can edit as well. After edit these suggestions, add another condition, that is contain as well. So here we're gonna edit our new domain, that is this one. That is our another domain. So we're gonna track a single user across this both domain. When a user come to this website and click here on this website, so it might be track a same user for both the website. So just click on the save button. Okay, then just remove this. Okay, it is asking to remove the HTTPS as well. So just click on the save button. Okay, now it just saved. Okay, it's saved. So just click here. Also reload this. Now we have successfully set up a cross domain tracking, and that's it. And now what we're going to do is basically we're going to verify our setting up, we set up the all the things properly or not. So this is our website, and we have to click here on this website. You can see the URL first. Okay, when I click on this button, and you can see the URL is different. This time the URL is different. It is like GL1. Is basically some kind of the cookie URL. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.